people, as of yesterday, I discovered that I have 1523 videos online, and this morning when I have to make this video, I was like suddenly nervous. I was like, oh my god, I'll be making a fool of myself. I shouldn't make these videos. So it finally occurred to me that perhaps the biggest thing, the biggest thing for any person who has to, who aspires to be in a higher place than what they are right now, I mean, like in every way, economically, every way, it is that courage. You need courage, because there is this Japanese thinker called Master Ryoho Okawa. So he says, the one quality that is common to all these wealthy people, I mean people who built wealth on their own, is that they have a strong spirit. Because truly, like, be it anyone, flight attendants who have to wake up at like ungodly hours, whatever, 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning, to get dressed, to be, to catch, to be a part of this international flight and all, and that's their routine. It's not like one off time. So it is really, and even as an actor, performer, you have to put yourself out there. So वो करना बहुत मुश्किल है. So that's why even making these videos, and this friend was so sweet enough to say, he said, it needs courage. I wish I had this courage to have a YouTube channel. I said, yeah, watching my videos also needs courage, because really. So anyway, this video has already crossed 1 minute, but I'm done with my bath, and each time I wear something new, I like to show it off on YouTube. But really, so these are things from Jaipur, so it's very sweet. Though it looks like a nightgown, but it is a very, very cute outfit. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.